how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an attack, basically a Mars Attacks alien. They had a really cool looking design. They had like a brain and then a skull design. Really neat. We're going to go over the portrait of one, and that's pretty much it, okay? Hope you enjoy it. Let's get started, okay? Before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw scary art, because through the year, we're going to be drawing just scary stuff, and I want you to recommend what to draw, okay? And I'll draw it. Let me know in the comments below and I'll do it, alright? Alright, let's get started. Go over here and I'm going to draw a circle here, almost an entire circle for one eye. Really big bug eyes. Line across the top of the odd eyeball. Go over here and I'm going to throw a curved line here. Small curved line here. Pulling down. Forward. Across here, because he's got like a skull nose pretty much, like the nasal cavity is almost completely open. Pulling down here, out over here underneath. Okay, it almost looks like a skull right now pretty much. Gonna fill this area in. Gonna go this end. I'm gonna draw the ball on this side, on this far end, okay? Like the rest of it. Go over here, curve. Out over here. Out over here. Circle. Circle for that iris and pupil. Dot, dot. Underneath here, underneath. Underneath here, the eye. Pulling down. Straight down, in. Gonna find a like underneath the nose there, and it's gonna pull down into the skeleton part pretty much, basically the mouth, the teeth, right? So I'm gonna go pull down just a bit here, and I'm gonna find that row of teeth. You gotta find in each individual tooth right there. It's just like a lot of little like bumps, really. Line over here, under the eye, pulling up a bit, find the cheekbone on this side, the zygomatic arch as they call it. Alright, pull that in to connect it. Down over here for the lower, basically the lower row of teeth. Down over here, down over here, down over here, down over here, down over here. So he's got these little like frill things coming out underneath the zygomatic arch. Gonna pull down on the front here. I'm gonna find the square of the jaw. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like Mars Attacks, because I feel like nobody remembers this movie but me. It's a Tim Burton movie. So we got that chin. Out over here. Up. Right on. Alright. Finding around here, pulling out, down. Right here we're going to find like a little brain bit or something. He's got these weird little, I don't know what it is, this bizarre thing on the side of his head. Alright. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the big part right here. Curve. Curve in here. Line down. Line down, line down, line down. So we got the neck over here. We're going to draw like a little vein in there as well. curve line up. Line, like thinner lines right here for like the kind of the forehead area. Draw a thin line right here for the center of the brain. Now we're going to draw kind of those brain shapes, and to be honest, just draw like this, like S shape. Just kind of draw a bunch of S shapes over here, and that will like indicate that brain area very easily. Just draw these S shapes like all over the place. If you really want, you can kind of make some interlock, not a bunch. But you can make a few of these kind of like interlock over here if you like. But it really is a bunch of S curves. And that should be enough, honestly. There's something else you can do. Let's see. You can draw maybe the right here. He's got the like that space outfit they have on. If you've seen the movie, it's on like YouTube. You can watch it. I think it might be on Netflix as well. So draw like a plate there, down, curve underneath the front here, up, and then maybe they have like a circle here in the front here. So take me to your leader kind of thing. Really old school retro designs for the outfits. It's really fascinating, and I really dig them. They're really fun. And you can draw maybe the arm coming out here, arm over here. You know, but there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, please let me know what else you want to see. Maybe some old movies, some TV shows, something that's monstrous, you know, like maybe some kaiju that you want me to draw, like open for ideas, super wide open. I do appreciate it. If you made it to this point in the video, absolutely please say hi to me in the comment section. That means I'll know that you made it to this point, and that's exciting, okay? Stick around for the announcement. If you want to see my full lessons, I'm going to talk about that in a minute here. See you soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later.